Welcome back, quiz zoners. Can you guess the animal by emoji in 3 seconds? Alright, let's get started. Guess the animal. Chicken. Penguin. Bulldog. Zebra. Chameleon. Rhino. Elephant. You're halfway there. If you're loving this challenge, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, get set for the next round of emojis. Blue whale. Squirrel. Pig. Wolf. Swan. Ladybug. Snail. We're down to our final set of emojis. Let's see if you can guess this one. Mosquito. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes and fun. Until next time, keep quizzing.